Today, guys, I'll be giving a little quick walk around on the Apple CarPlay, which is available on the My Link screen on the 2016 models. And I'll be giving you a list on what models the Apple CarPlay it is available. In this case, your customer needs to have an iPhone 5 or newer in order to be able to use this function on the Apple Car on the vehicle. They will need to have the phone completely plugged in with the USB cord to the vehicle and to the phone. All they do in this case is just plug it in and then select the projection option on the vehicle, and they'll be able to see the same options or same icons that they have on their iPhone on the screen. Stop. The icons that they'll be seeing in this case will be phone, messages, maps, and music applications. In this case, if they want to use the phone option, there are three ways that they can work around in order to make a call. They can select the icon.
Who would you like to call?
And Siri will ask if they want to call somebody, or you can cancel and select somebody from what is going to be your contacts. In order to go back to the main screen, push this icon in here, which looks like the home button on your phone, and that will return you to the main screen. So pressing the icon is option 1. Option 2 is going to be the following. Hey Siri, call Jaime Figueroa.
Calling Jaime Figueroa.
He must be with a customer, probably. And option 3, on the steering wheel, just push the voice command button, leave it pressed for about 3 seconds. Make a phone call.
Who are we calling?
406-896-3000.
Calling 406-896-3000.
And there you go. Those will be the options that you have to make a phone call. The second most common option or application to use on the phone, it is going to be messages or text message. In this case, you have the three same options for text messaging as you did on what is going to be making a phone call. One of the biggest things is, in this case, you will not see any text on the screen. Siri will actually...
Who would you like to text?
Siri will read you the text messages, but...
Who shall I text?
As you can see, you cannot...
Okay, what do you want to say to...
As you can see, you cannot see any text message on the screen itself. Siri will be reading the text messages for you. Same if you want to send a text message, you dictate to Siri what you want it to say. If somebody sends you a text message, this is what it's going to look like whenever you get a text message from somebody while you are using the Apple CarPlay on the vehicle. A little notification will let you know that you receive a text message, and if you select that, you can either select the option or ask Siri to read the text message. If you want to select the option,
would you like to hear your unread messages or create a new one?
Hear unread messages.
You have a message from Jaime Figueroa. It says, I hope you guys are paying attention. Would you like to reply?
Yes.
Okay, what do you want to say to Jaime Figueroa?
I hope they're paying attention, especially Brad. I will not be showing these to your customers.
Your message to Jaime Figueroa says, I hope they're paying attention, especially Brad. I will not be showing these to your customers. Ready to send it?
Yes.
I'll send it.
Perfect. And if in order to return to the main screen, what do you do again? Just push this icon in here, it will send you back to the main screen. The third most common app that people will be using on their phones, especially on what is going to be the Apple CarPlay, will be Maps. Maps will be the one powered directly by Apple, not the Google Maps. So some people might not like it, but they are pretty good nowadays. In this case, again, you have the three options. Either select the icon, tell Siri what to get you an address, or push the button. In this case, if you want to talk without pushing any buttons, hey Siri, directions to the nearest Chevrolet dealership.
Getting directions to Denny Manholt Chevrolet.
And there you go. All you do is pretty much tell her where do you want to go, and it will find the location for you.
To Denny Manholt Chevrolet.
And if you want to cancel that, again, all you do is just go ahead and go back to the main button, and you'll be good to go. It's pretty accurate on directions. If you are trying to use Siri to find or to Google things on the internet for you, it will not work. It can only work for commands such as making calls, text messages, music, and directions, but it will not navigate the internet for you. And one of the last options that people or your customer will be using on the Apple CarPlay on the MyLink system, it is going to be music. It will show you all your music library on your phone, and it's going to be pretty simple to access. Again, icon, voice command, or voice command button on the steering wheel. Let's say if you want to play a song, now play an icon, and you will be able to listen to the music on your device. You can tell Siri to skip songs or to play a song in a specific, but that will be mainly the functions that you will have on the Apple CarPlay. You're able to use what is going to be podcast audiobooks, and there is quite a few other apps that you can use. I can share the list or the link with all the apps that are available, but again, mainly the purpose of this Apple CarPlay on the MyLink, it is going to be for audio, calling, navigation, and text without seeing the text but only hearing or dictating. If you guys want to go back to the main screen of the MyLink, if your customers don't want to use the Apple CarPlay, all you do is push this button, the home button icon, and it will send you back to the MyLink. If you want to go back to the Apple CarPlay, just select the option and you're good to go. Perfect. Thank you guys. I really appreciate your time, and have a great day.